strongly make yourself to be the water of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your life is very short. You cannot understand, but you will die one day. You cannot believe my speech. It's very important for you to prepare for Akhirah. World's life is very temporary. We are asked in 3% in the grave by the Malaika. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made mankind for his ibadah, but most of the people cannot understand about this matter. So be careful about the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and world's life is very short and temporary. You should make yourself to the way of Akhirah. If you are follow the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are sent to Jannat by the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you don't follow the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are sent to Jahannam by the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Malaika are ready for you. If you should follow my rules, inshallah you will succeed in dunya or akhirah. Okay, thanks. Assalamu alaikum.